Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on the tech sector, bulls out in force today. Not quite there at the all-time high, but that's really the only resistance level we've got left. 59.03. We topped out at 58.91, so just 12 cents below that level. And the bulls are extremely strong here, seeing nice follow-through after a weak end of last week. This is pretty much the best-case scenario for the bulls in terms of how they could have responded to that close at the low of the day on Friday. Weekly time frame, bull break of the inside bar. Bulls back in full control, looking for a bull MACD cross. Upper Bollinger Band is ascending rapidly, creating strong upside potential as it keeps creating room for the bulls to continue. So the bulls are in full control, and we're seeing that reflected in a lot of these individual names. Apple had a huge setback right at the end of last week in terms of losing the middle Bollinger Band for the first time in months, losing 160 psychological and increasing bear volume. It too saw a complete 180 turnaround and regain those levels, but there are even other names that are stronger than Apple. Facebook and Netflix come to mind, and watching to see if Apple can now hold its higher low, its new higher low of 158.53. Need to see follow through, need to keep that middle Bollinger Band, but pretty much best case scenario for the bulls here as well after that close at the low, higher open and breaking the resistance of the high of Friday for continuation. So still holding exponential supports, riding with a very strong trend, and likely going to see Apple and the entire tech sector stick hand in hand in how they trade because of the holdings being so significant for the Apple. I believe it's 14% of XLK is Apple. Facebook bulls in full control. We're looking for Facebook to be the next tech sector name, the next big name to hit an all-time high. We've got 173.89. All-time high is 175.49. So certainly right there, we've known that Apple, or I should say Facebook, has been strong ever since this lower high, lower low pattern broke. That was back at 169.87, and we're now seeing that follow through, riding the upper Bollinger Band resistance, staying just under that level for the past 6 weeks. And just patiently waiting, taking our time, and making our way to that all-time high. It's not a huge breakout. It's a slow and steady, consistent bull, and watching for some very decent follow-through at this point and looking to test this all-time high potentially this week. So we see the weekly time frame did not confirm the bullish reversal candlestick last week, but we're seeing that follow through this week, and there is very little resistance here. A beautiful higher low where we formed 165.82 and 165. So 165 is our new base of support, and heading back for that all-time high. We'll see if the bulls can get there. If this market strength keeps up with the strong momentum close at the end of the day, we will be looking for that to be the case. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how close these bulls get to that all-time high in Facebook. See you soon.